One of the most important things you can know as a project manager is what is your project deliverable. And if you're new to project management and you're wondering what is a project deliverable, well, you come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what is a project deliverable. Now, if you want to learn more about project management as well, stay tuned to the end of this video, because I have a free cheat sheet just for you on some 6 things you need to be aware of to ensure your project doesn't fail. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Adriana Girdler, and you have landed on the best practical project management channel out there in YouTube world. Now, that all being said, let's find out what is a project deliverable. Let's go to it. Project deliverable definition. This is what you came here for, so let's get right to it. A project deliverable is a good or service produced by your project that must be delivered at the end of the project. A deliverable is always going to be in scope, it's going to be within the budget, it's going to be within the timeline, and you're going to ensure that you have approval from all your key stakeholders, particularly the sponsor and the steering committee, as to what exactly it is that you're delivering. Examples of project deliverables. Here's the beauty of project management. Your deliverable is going to be dependent upon your scope of your project, what exactly it is that you are meant to do. And that could encompass so many things. It can encompass software and hardware and training related things and process improvements. It really depends on what you're doing. So let me give you an example. I'll dig one out from my past when I was in packaging and manufacturing. So I had a scope of a project where we needed to install a full packaging line that had to train all the individuals to make sure that it was operational based on go live. And we had specific, I think we had about 6 pieces of equipment that we had to install and test and do user acceptance testing, design some things. Like, there was a whole bunch of work that we had to do in order to do it. But that's not the deliverable. That's the scope of the work that we had to do. There's quite a bit of stuff. But with the deliverable, at the end of the project, in essence, when we walked away, what was left? What did we hand off? Well, this is what the deliverable was. We had 6 pieces of equipment, which I basically laid out. The deliverable of this project is I'm going to ensure that equipment number 1, whatever the name was, the cartoner is installed. The leaflet machine is installed, like whatever it is that you're doing. So we did that. The other deliverable is that all the operators were trained on how to actually use the piece of equipment. Another deliverable is that all the mechanics were trained on how to ensure that they can fix the machinery if anything should happen. Those were the 3 deliverables from the project. Even though we were doing multiple things that was more than just those 3 things, at the end, what we left for the department and that production manager, which was our customer, is we left a packaging line that had specific pieces of equipment that operators can use and that mechanics could fix. That's the deliverable. So now people are really clear with what they're going to get when the project is complete. Now that you know what a project deliverable is, you need to know this. 6 things that could potentially have your project go sideways. So definitely check it out, and it's free just for you. And how do you get it? You get it with the link that's underneath this video, so go check it out. Until the next video, see you later.